Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am back to work in my everyday planner, which is in this earth leather cover from MLG Co. And the planner is a B6 Stalogy notebook. I'm going to be using this washi tape. This one is from Simply Gilded, and this is a Capital Chic's design washi tape. I also pulled these Happy Easter stickers from Let's Get Planned, and this is the Easter florals. I pulled Duma, the doll Duma, because of her dress. I felt like it or her skirt kind of goes with the eggs, maybe not. Then I also pulled Jasmine Pink. She goes also, and so does Mary. So I don't know which one of the dolls I'll use, and I may even use two. Okay. So let's get started. It's been a while since I have planned in this planner. I know I showed in a recent video in my planner lineup for the second quarter the spreads that I created, and I did initially want this planner to be more of a creative outlet, kind of fun, where I just noted the things that happen throughout the day, and if I have any task appointments or anything specific, that I would have room to do that. Now, I fell off of using this. I was changing up my style pretty regularly. So for instance, sometimes I would do a week on 2 pages. Other times I would do daily pages. So, and then I started tipping in or gluing in the Hobonichi style inserts, and I kind of like that for now. That's working for me for now. It gives me space to write down appointments or whatever is going on. And then the opposite page, it gives me a chance to be creative and have fun and just do different things. Okay, so for the washi tape, I'm torn. I definitely want to use something different. I've been using this paisley, the spring paisley pastel washi from Simply Gilded a lot lately, and I feel like I want to give it a break. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so since we got so much pink at the bottom, let's see what boxes we can pull out of here. If there's anything suitable. Let's see. Got a feeling that there's not gonna be any good stickers, but there are. Okay, so we can use some of these, I think, to go with this layout. So where's our doll gonna go? And which doll are we going to use? I don't know. I'm so torn. I think I'm gonna use her because of the pink. And then I'm going to put this Happy Easter sticker down right here. And I know it's taking up a lot of space, but I like that about it. Then let's put her here. Perfect. These are so pretty. And y'all know I'm not into the animal print like that, but I just think these are beautiful. But how do I want to do this? Let's do it like that. You gotta put a flower or something in there too. So if we do that, then we can come up the page with a flower like that. And then I guess this can go here like so. A little butterfly. Let's put it there. And a couple more flowers. These, oh, I need to order this. Oh, that I pulled that off. Oopsie. Let's see if I can retrieve it. All right, let's see what we can do here. Oops. Let's put some florals up here. I don't want to use up all of these florals, so I'm going to stop there, except for this butterfly. I'm going to use it right here. So I like that. Those stickers, again, are from Let's Get Planned. Can check them out. I will put their information in the description box below. Do I need a box over here or not? So for throughout the week, let's see what I got back here that I can use. Payday is Wednesday, so I can use that there. I'm not going to use any of these. No. Let's use one of these planners. Easter. I don't think I'll be doing any shopping. Can use it. Is this a computer screen or a TV? I'm going to say it's a TV. And I'm going to use it right there for my Me TV binge on Saturday. This is more shopping. Let's try to put all the shopping together. We might go shopping Friday. I don't know. Just mail. Don't want to use that. Let's put trash can. That is Friday, right? Set it out Thursday, pick up Friday. No. Set it out Wednesday, pick up Thursday. Ooh, that would have been bad. Okay. And let's do some cleaning on Thursday. Let's go to check some mail. Oh, that's the TV. Oh, well, too late now. And I think that is everything from JD in Brooklyn that I would be able to use. Now, let's jump into the script stickers from Piper Paper Company. And I know some of you have had issues with Piper Paper Company. I have taken them off of my PR list. So shop at your own risk. I don't have a problem with them. I will continue to shop with them. But yeah, I didn't want to promote them if they were having shipping issues and things like that. So I took them off. But again, if you want to use my code, let me know. I will give it to you so that you can possibly get a discount. I don't know if it's active right now or not. Just be advised that there are some shipping issues as far as I know. Like I said, I placed an order. When I place an order with any company, really, I don't I'm not impatient about when is it going to get here? When is it going to get here? Blah, 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 blah. I'm okay. I can wait a little while. So, yeah, I'm usually not in a rush, and I don't really notice how long it takes to get to me. So, not that there's anything wrong with that. I'm just saying that's how I am. I order it and forget it. I mean, I write it down or whatever, but yeah. Pretty much not in a rush. Let's use this payday sticker, even though we got the dollar bills there. So I'm trying to use up my stickers, and I have a ton of them. Let's just do this because it's getting to be too complicated to get this in and out. Don't want to fight with it anymore. Let's do a YouTube binge. And then self-care day. Everything is on the weekend. Let's do post office run. So I think that's going to do it for this spread. I'd already tipped in the insert, dated it. I used the CHELA plan dates, and then the days of the week are from Piper Paper Company. This pink washi is from Simply Gilded. The bow washi is from Capital Chic Designs. The main stickers, the eggs, the florals, the doll are from Let's Get Planned. The script stickers are from Piper Paper Company. The box is from CHELA Plan. The this week sticker is from Crafting by the Pound. And the little icon stickers are from JD and Brooklyn. That is everything. This insert actually is available to patrons over on Scrapcraftastic Patreon. If you have a problem finding it, let me know and I will give you the direct link. That's it for the week of April 11th through 17th in my everyday planner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.